Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G is the speculated smartphone from Oppo that launched in 2021, January. This dual SIM smartphone is expected to come with a glass front and back. The dimensions of the upcoming phone from Oppo are expected to be 159.7mm by 73.2mm by 7.6mm, height x width x thickness. The phone is expected to feature a 6.55 inches AMOLED display that will have a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels and an aspect ratio of 19.59. Hence, you can have an amazing viewing experience of playing games and watching videos. Moreover, the display will come with Corning Gorilla Glass protection. Apart from this, the mobile is rumored to be equipped with an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Joule, 7nm processor so that you can have a lag-free phone using experience while playing intense graphics games and accessing multiple applications. Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone is tipped to come into storage variants 8GB of RAM Joule, 128GB of internal storage and 12GB of RAM Joule, 256GB of internal storage. This would let the users store their songs, pictures, videos, and other stuff without worrying about space issues. In addition to this, the mobile is speculated to run the Android 11 operating system. Speaking about the camera specifications, the upcoming Oppo mobile is expected to come with a quad camera setup. There might be a 64MP camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, a 2MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor for clicking some beautiful pictures. Features on the mobile include LED flash, HDR panorama, and more. In addition to this, the smartphone is touted to sport a 32MP camera with an f2.4 aperture for selfies and video chats. Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G is tipped to be powered with LiPo 4250 mAh non-removable battery that will support 65W fast charging. Besides, the phone is rumored to come with various connectivity options such as Wi-Fi 802.118b, N, AC dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with dual band AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, NFC, and USB Type-C 3.1. Sensors on the phone might include a fingerprint sensor, gyro, proximity sensor, accelerometer, and compass. Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G is expected to be launched in different color options like black, blue, and white. Oppo Reno 5 Pro key features. Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G has a 6.55 inches display and 1080 by 2340 pixels resolution. Quad camera setup on the rear comes with features like LED flash, HDR panorama, and more. Front camera is a 32MP. Powered by 4250 mAh battery. Runs Android 11 OS and equipped with octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 1000 Joule, 7nm processor. 8GB RAM Joule, 128GB internal storage and 12GB RAM Joule, 256GB internal storage. Dimensions of the phone are 159.7mm by 73.2mm by 7.6mm. Color options, black, blue, and white. Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G price in India. Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone price in India is likely to be 42,350 rupees. Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G is speculated to be launched in the country on December 2020, expected. As for the color options, the Oppo Reno 5 Pro 5G smartphone may come in black, white, blue, pink, green colors.